to all of your vanilla problems here with another video. You can see we have our pasta water right there. It has a certain layer of butter in it because I do use butter and water to make my noodles. Oh man, my pasta, my noodles, whatever I'm making, it always comes out so smooth. It has a glaze over it from the butter. As you see right there, I have red bell pepper, onion, shallot, tomatoes, Italian parsley, garlic, and onion. All of that is going inside of that pasta sauce. Now, originally this video was supposed to be me making my own pasta sauce for the spaghetti, but you'll see here in a minute. You'll see here in a minute the reason why. And I have 3 tomatoes diced up right there. I think I ended up with more than just 3 tomatoes, but I'll only show 3 right there. We get it off in that blender right there. You see everything's blending, everything's kissing and smooching inside of that blender right there. Yeah, you see the color. That was my deal. The color. And I imagine most authentic Italian sauces are lighter in hue than over here in America. But you know, that's neither here nor there, huh? I was trying to figure out ways to get it darker. As you see, we will get that chicken meatball sauce into that ground chicken. I'm using ground chicken for that. I will link the video to those chicken meatballs, the chicken meatball recipe and tutorial in the description below, so make sure you check that out. We're gonna get our chicken meat sizzling and cooking inside of that chicken meatball sauce, and we're gonna add a spoonful of pesto in that. You see, it's beautiful. We're adding that pasta sauce that I was able to come out with in the blender into our mixture, into our pan with our meat, seasoning with like a, oh god, multi-seasoned Italian seasoning right here, multi-spice blend, several things inside of it. Paprika's in it, I know for sure. Basil's in it. Oregano, thyme, I think is in it. We have some additional Italian seasoning right there. We have cream of mushroom right there because I forgot mushroom in this video. And you see I let it cook out. It darkened as it cooked. So yeah, you see the Italian meatballs right there. That's the finished product, guys. It darkened as it cooked. I tried to add paprika to it to darken it, but it didn't work. That's the finished product. That's what you get. It's good. It's good the way it is. Oh yeah, that's great. Thanks for watching. But I don't think a lot of you want like orange pasta sauce. I don't think a lot of you want orange pasta sauce on your spaghetti, so we're gonna try to darken it with that paprika right there. Like I said, it darkened it only a little bit. So like I was saying, this video was originally supposed to be me making my own sauce from scratch, but it ended up becoming like a way you can soup up any store brand or, you know, name brand pasta sauce out there. Be it, you know, Ragu or that other brand I can't seem to pronounce right now. But you can see the fail right here, like my Steelers shirt I got on, fail. Jeez, I'm on a roll today, huh? But we got our pasta sauces. We got our no name brand, our store brand pasta sauces right here. That will darken it, and that will, in addition, turn that sauce into like a super sauce. So this is more like a hack. You know, this is more like something you can do in case you find the pasta sauce too bland. You see it right there. That looks so good. It looks good. You see, I was rocking my Steelers hard, you know, during the regular season, but, you know, postseason, we're sitting at home waiting to see who's going to win the Super Bowl. Guys, you know what to do. Like it, you know, comment on it if you think this is a good method to upgrade your regular sauce. I'm out. Thanks for watching.